Hello, my name is Carla Lopez. I just graduated medicine from University San Francisco de Quito, and now I am here to present you my newest project in which I hope you can join me and help me save the world. So my company's name is Ourgenome. Ourgenome is a very important name, but to understand that we have to go back a couple of years. So in 2003, something big came up for sciences and actually every area of study in the world. It was the Human Genome Project. It consisted in a full mapping of all genes in the human body um, from both a physical and a functional standpoint, right? So scientists asked, right, what are the implications for this? How can we work now on, right? Because many people were asking, so if I have a genetic disorder, that means there is something in that sequence that is making me ill. And if it's that so, can scientists do something about it to make a cure and to make me feel better, right? So, scientists from that year, there were many companies that arose that are now valued in millions that cover all aspects of both diseases and genetic engineering, right? So, my point and my actually view from this company is to not only have a group of wealthy people or a particular hospital that is actually buying me and is wealthy enough to get my medicine, but actually to get to those people in countries that first they don't have the technology, and second they don't have the resources nor the money to get access to this medication and this treatment, right? So that's why it is called Origin, because this project brought us that we are all correlated, that we can help us all. So it is not special for a group, but the world. This way we can say that this company will achieve first analytical, right? Because we actually have to know the statistics about each gene causing a specific disease and in each population, because we first have to acknowledge that the genome varies according to population. Like some mutations are common and normal in a population, but if we find the same mutations in another population, it causes an illness, right? So is that also marketing and sales, because it's really important to have it to be worldwide and really accessible. And third, it's technique, right? Because we are trying to save a person's life and we will achieve it, but for that we need people that master this technique. It's actually very difficult to measure success in themes like this, because actually pharmaceutics can say they are successful for gaining millions of dollars, but I can say that success is actually saving one life. So with this we will save counted lives, but the idea is for other companies to join, for us to get bigger and actually cover a big part of the world, if it's not the entire world. So every investigation, every experimentation, every trial, everything that is in our laboratory is self-investment, right? Because we were hoping to be here in this meeting to you, because I am sure that you are the ideal investors for this project, because more than an economy outcome, it's the objective and the focus of the project. We actually will have an income, there is no problem about that, but it is actually made for the people, right? So that's why we were waiting to be in this meeting, and we rejected other investors because they don't have the same visions as you have, which actually correlates with our vision. So I am asking you for a $10,000 investment. This is an entrance, and we need this to first finish our investigation and to buy extra kits of CRISPR-Cas. Each kit costs about like $200, so all the money will be put there to be the entrance and to actually at the end of the year to start with the trials in our population. I really hope that this presentation make you fall in love with the project like I did, like my team did, and I really hope that you join me in this journey to help the world be a little better, right? To help to improve a person's life and to actually help those that for some reason or at all doesn't have access to the right to help. Thank you very much, and I will be waiting